In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to terminate an Ethernet cable at a patch panel. Here's a 24-port patch panel. And here's the back side of the patch panel. You can see the T568A and T568B color coding. And also in there are little numbers that correspond to the numbers on the front of the patch panel. So here I'm just going to use the cable, the keystone cable that we created in the previous video, and punch that down on the patch panel and simulate it being a much longer cable going to another room and to a wall jack. Just like in the other termination videos, we're going to untwist the pairs. And you can leave as much length or as little length as you're comfortable with. There's a balance. The balance would be that the longer length you leave on the cable, the more you have to untwist it. And on the other side, the shorter the cable is, the less cable you have to work with to get it into the notches. So you'll kind of find a balance. I think with the patch panels, about an inch to an inch and a half of exposed cable is a pretty good length. But keep in mind that even if there's an inch or an inch and a half to work with, you want most of that to be cut off at the end because you want it to be nice and tight. You can see that the amount past the sheathing before the notches is very short. And this is based on cable standards, but also for cable management. And there was a close-up of the cables following the T568B wiring diagram. And here's the punch tool that we used in the previous video, showing up again with a 110 punch blade, just like with the Keystone video. And just taking my time with these, sliding the 110 blade into the slot, making sure that the cutting side is on the side that we want to cut the cable, and then, speed it up a little, punch them all down. One slot to the next. And there's your example. Pretty short, pretty tight, pretty clean. And so this is an example. In a regular situation, that cable would be going all the way out to someone's office, down through the wall to a wall plate. Thank you for watching.